After you finish step 1 and step 2, so dialogue 1 and dialogue 2, you will be able to complete task number 3. So task number 3 is for you to take a unit vocabulary test in Review Online Test 1. Now, please allow me to show you how to do it. To do a quick review, here's what you can do. You can just select vocabulary info. And because you are taking vocabulary test on lesson 1, so you can just select lesson 1 right here. And then boom, all of the vocabulary words from lesson 1 will show up here. Here's listening icon. If you click on it,
问好
it would say the words for you. You can test yourself to see, just cover maybe the Chinese and pinyin part to see when you see English, if you can say Chinese, you can reveal the answers. So you can do a quick review this way, or there's another quick review that you can do. You can go to review, select lesson 1, and you go to vocabulary. And right here, you will be able to find study cards. Right here, study cards. This is a super good tool that I love so much that I feel like I have to introduce it to you. Okay, so now you can see total vocabulary words is 67, like we just saw. Lesson 1 vocabulary, there are 67 of them. And you can just use this tool to classify. Do you have a deep understanding of this vocabulary word or not? If you click on it, you think, oh, I don't know how to pronounce it, or I don't know what it means. If you just click on this card,
问好
it will tell you the meaning and the pinyin, and it will say it to you. So you can click back and you think, okay, all right. At first, I didn't know the meaning, so I'm going to put it in difficult pile. And then this one, oh, I know. It's ni. To verify if I'm correct or not, I can just click on the word.
你
Oh, ni. Hey, I'm right. Ni means you. I'm confident. And as you can see, the numbers are changing. The numbers, difficult pile has 3, and then confident pile has 4. So now I'm going to keep going. Next one. 你好. Oh, that is so easy for me. 你好, confident. So if I keep pressing the next one, 您, okay, I think it's difficult. You see the numbers are changing? If you want to study, you can say, oh, I want to go to difficult pile to study. So these are the ones that I categorize as difficult. So now I'm going to study one more time.
问好
Now I can switch from English to Chinese to see if I know how to say it. Greeting to greet, how to say it? 问好.
问好
Yay.
问好
Okay, so same thing. I can study this way and I put them into different piles. This study card is so powerful. You can use it to play games. So you can go to earn points. Which game? Spelling game, typing. Which data? You are going to practice the ones that you think are difficult. So you study your difficult pile and then you can play. Same thing like spelling game, but this time you are really targeting on the words that you don't know that well. Let's review. The first way to study is to go to vocabulary info from here and select lesson 1. Do a quick review by just, look through the words. And then the second one, I'm going to show you this fast way. Study card is right here. You click on it, and then you will be able to select lesson 1 unit. And then you can categorize that. After you study, you can go to World Language Games page again. Let me show you. You go to review. And of course, we need to make sure that we select lesson 1, all of the vocabulary words from lesson 1. Then we select the bottom part right here, OLT. OLT 1 is testing you your ability in vocabulary. Start this test. You can either type in pinyin or Chinese characters. So USA is 美国. Okay. France is 法国. There are 48 questions for you to answer. After you are done, you hit submit for grading and it will tell you your score. Your goal for this one is, I would say, for all of the unit tests, I want to see at least an 80%, but you can shoot for higher scores if you set higher standard for yourself. Okay, so this is OLT 1, the review online test for vocabulary words.